it's obviously the Saudis are the ones who are really the most cautious, who don't want to disturb the market, and the Russians clearly would like to increase volumes. So that's the kind of negotiation that will go on today. And that relationship is what's really fundamental to the oil price. And what all of them are looking at is that demand recovery, which, as Dr. Sultan said, could come bring demand back to where it was by the end of this year or early next year. And oil prices up 70% on the notion that vaccines are rolling out and economic recovery is at hand, as long as those variants of the virus don't upset things.
Dan, what does this mean for shale productions?
What we found at CERAWeek conference, which is still going on this week, is that the shale producers are consolidating, are getting more efficient, and are getting more confident. They're not going to rush to increase production. We're not going to see the 1 million barrel or 2 million barrel a day increase. But I think in the second half of this year, we could start to see production start rising again. But a big emphasis for the shale producers is they've also got to return money to investors and restore their relationship with investors.
Dan, what would be an appropriate supply increase in your view? If the OPEC producer group did decide to go ahead and increase output, how much could the market handle right now?
Well, I think that anything over 500,000 barrels a day would be quite concerning to the market. So I think it is in that range that you described. And, there's no guarantees of what's going to happen. What we are going to see is, there's going to be a big stimulus in the United States. And we're looking at this year, world economic growth being at least 5%, US 5.8%, India almost 10%. And all of that will translate into higher demand. The question is when it kicks in. And that's what I think the OPEC countries and the OPEC plus countries are debating among themselves.